Before them lay an ocean filled with highly acidic water. Even the most experienced sailors couldn't fly their ship across it. Just then, the little blue creature stepped up to the plate. Turns out, he was besties with the green rubber worms here. After a quick little chat, the rubber worms agreed to help them get through. Suddenly, countless flying rubber worms gathered under the spaceship. They started kicking their tiny legs, pulling the ship straight into the acid sea. Thanks to the rubber worms, they finally made it across the acid ocean. Not long after, they entered a completely upside-down world. They almost crashed into a moving mountain. Pushing through this bizarre zone, they finally found the roots of the electric fruit. But the red birds and spiky balls that attacked them earlier had followed them here too. This time, however, they weren't attacking the crew. Instead, they kept relentlessly assaulting the electric fruit's roots. Turns out, this was exactly why the electric fruits were withering. The fruits had funneled all their energy here. To fight off these mysterious creatures, Jack couldn't figure out why they were attacking the roots. To ensure the electric fruits could grow healthily, they decided to wipe out the mysterious creatures. They hauled out the electric fruits from the ship and turned them into ammo. Then, they started blasting away at the red birds. Seeing this, the little blue creature immediately stepped in to stop them, begging everyone not to hurt these creatures anymore. Danny didn't quite get it, but he didn't want to kill them either. This sparked a huge argument between the father and son. Furious, Danny jumped right off the ship to get his son back. Jack hopped on his flying motorcycle and chased after him. While the two were busy arguing, they had reached the edge of the world. To their shock, it was just an endless ocean out there. Suddenly, the ground began to shake violently. The land they relied on for survival actually opened its eyes. Only then did the father and son realize they had been living on the back of a giant turtle the whole time. The balloon forest they saw along the way, that was the turtle's alveoli, the little fish forming the rivers. Those were its red blood cells, and those spiky balls and fierce red birds trying to eat them, they were just the turtle's immune and phagocyte cells. Even the acidic ocean they flew through was just the turtle's stomach. The turtle was getting weaker and weaker, because they had planted tons of electric fruits on its back. The roots had completely invaded the turtle's body, which is why its immune system was fighting back so desperately. But the electric fruit roots had already completely wrapped around the turtle's heart, making it impossible for the immune system to break through. If the turtle's heart was consumed and it died, the land they called home would sink into the endless ocean.